Hey everybody, Mary here. So I wanted to go over something I was trying to show earlier in our day one of the Jump Summit. So it was all about looking at LinkedIn in a different way for jobs. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm here on my LinkedIn profile. Probably looks like yours. The difference here is up well, not there's a difference, but at the top, you might remember you go to the home page, your network, jobs. So a lot of times people get notifications of jobs that are recommended to you if you've signed up for alerts and you go directly to the section, right? Certainly, you can keep doing that. And I think most of you are doing it. It's a good way to, just be informed of new jobs that are posting and that might be appropriate for your background. But if you're ever done with that and you want to try something different on this platform, you can always just do a simple search to see, other postings that might not be recommended to you by the algorithm. So what I was trying to show today, or at least I had talked about in the webinar, was that you could just type in the general search the hashtag hiring, and then whatever keyword from that you're looking for. So for me, I mean, I'm not a marketing person, but a lot of people I work with do tend to be in marketing, and they just wanted to see if there were other ways that they could identify positions. So let's just take a quick look at what that would look like here. Okay, so yeah, just type in hashtag hiring and marketing. That's what I did. And this is what's going to pop up. Okay, so on my search, you see that, these are things that pull up. You can actually organize things by post, jobs, people, whatever, wherever there is a mention of hashtag hiring and marketing somewhere in the content. An interesting place to look is posts, and mine is already prioritized to that, but it will basically come up with all mentions of hiring and marketing. And you can see that they were posted recently, like within the last 24 hours. I know that there's ways that you can kind of sort through this. Yeah, top match, which is usually the most relevant, or the latest posting of two. But it's really pretty interesting because I don't know if, say, if I were a marketing person, if these jobs would be recommended to me. I don't know. It's kind of a nice break to just go in and see what's posted and who is posting word of an opening and like what companies, and looking through the data this way. Of course, you can do this for many other kinds of professions like hiring, data science, whatever. Let's just see what comes up. Yeah, same kind of thing. I'm hiring talented data engineers. There you go. And you can see when it was posted. This was 2 weeks ago, which, I mean, it's not too bad to apply. I probably want to see what's sooner than that. But yeah, and this actually pulled up something, yeah, from 2 minutes ago from Miami Jobs. So I offer this, just as another way to look at the information that people share online about jobs. It's not always recommended, in the obvious way of being a job description and a post that just went live and, it's in the job section. This way, by doing this kind of like ad hoc search within the search bar, it's a great way to just kind of see what else is out there. And it will break up the monotony of what you're doing. So let me know what you guys find out. Let me know if you're doing this already or have other tips.